The games can fuel the competitive fire in future Olympic hopefuls. But for some young athletes, too much emphasis on the sport can put them at risk of burning out.
Now, in today's Health Minute, Mandy Gaither has tips from a pediatric psychologist on how to help athletes handle the emotions that come with competition.
Learning teamwork, getting exercise, boosting social skills. These are just some of the benefits of kids playing sports, but there are potential downsides too.
When they are using the sport as the only way to define who they are and what they like to do, that can sometimes lead to those feelings of burnout.
As a pediatric psychologist at Nationwide Children's Hospital, Catherine Butts works with young athletes to help develop healthy relationships with their sport.
You've got a lot of these club teams where the engagement in sport is all year, and so there's not really that much of a break for anything else. Or you've got kids who take the sport really seriously and they love it, but they might be setting high expectations for themselves.
But says that can lead to stress, anxiety, mood changes, and other mental health problems. That's why she says busy athletes should prioritize downtime and self-care and focus on getting enough good quality sleep, staying hydrated, and not skipping meals. But says parents can also help include children in decisions made about their participation in a sport, listen when they want to talk, focus on the positive. What did they gain from a loss or poor performance? And model a good life balance by making self-care a priority too.
But we also want to make sure that we're noticing early on if kids are taking things too seriously, that we're emphasizing the need for enjoyment and fun.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
Now, the psychologist says young athletes can learn from disappointments or losses. Parents can acknowledge things didn't go well, but then steer the conversation toward a goal the child can set for themselves for future competitions.
And you know what? I was just looking at the list that she was putting down. Those are parenting.
Yeah.
Those are parenting rules.
Yeah.
So that really comes into play whether you're doing sports or whether it's just something at home.
So many other things. Even, I know I was just talking about Miss USA, but with pageants too, just because you're not going to win. Only one girl can win.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So take something away from it. I made friends. I got better at interview. I got better at this, so. And I'm just now learning that. I'm 24.
Learn to accept no.
Exactly.